Because the governor of Tunisia's central bank has welcomed the idea to create an African central bank that could enhance the continent's monetary dealings and also boost economic integration in Africa. The continent struggled to revive their economies. Experts believe that Africa needs to invest in COVID-19 accessibility in their quest to revive the fallen economy thanks to the impact of the global health crisis. Details of that in this report.
The Tunisian Apex Bank governor noted that the African Central Bank's purpose will help build a common monetary policy in order to accelerate economic integration in Africa. Marwan al-Abbasi added that Tunisian transactions with the continent are limited and represent only 2% of the country's exports and 0.5% of its imports.
The African Central Bank project would boost Africa's economic integration. Efforts should be directed towards multiplying air, sea and land links between African countries. This will enhance the presence of banks to promote business and accelerate the establishment of free trade areas at the regional and continental level.
Experts say the World Bank expects investments ranging between $80 and $100 billion in Africa over the next 10 years. In addition, the IMF expects the total additional financing required by African countries during the period 2021-2025 to reach $285 billion.
Tunisia is facing a difficult economic crisis and a lack of liquidity. Many African economies are also facing similar challenges. That's why it's necessary to look for ways of financing investment and development projects in Africa.
Economists believe that the fight against the pandemic is a top priority in Africa. Therefore, successful vaccine rollout should drive an economic rebound.
As long as the vaccines are not available in Africa, we can't talk about economic recovery. The COVID-19 vaccine procurement is the real problem. Reopening the economy depends on the vaccine rollout.
Analysts assert that African central banks are boosting cooperation in the fields of finance, integration, as well as upgrading African payment systems. The governor of the Central Bank of Tunisia called for mobilizing the support of multilateral financial institutions to back public investment in the digital sector in Africa. Al-Abbasi added that bilateral and multilateral cooperation are necessary to revive investment and growth in the continent.